What is up, everyone, and happy new year. So I hope you guys had a great new year, amazing, incredible memories over the past 2024 or for the past 12 months. All right, so in this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be upgrading. I'm not really upgrading, it's more of replace the optic fibers on my Mazda 3's ambient lighting. Now, as you can see, there's not much light along the line already. So this is the older one that I have uploaded, or sort of I've installed this over the last 2 years. If you have checked on my video, I showed or sort of guided you on how I installed the ambient lighting on my Mazda 3. So recently I've replaced the optic fiber on my dash. Let me just give that a focus. Now, the light on the dash, the ambient lighting on the dashboard, it wasn't like this. So the stream of light was just up until here, and then from here onwards down the straight line, that it doesn't have light at all. Okay, so it's the same thing as what you are seeing here on the driver's side. So that light is just a small portion, and the rest of it, it's dead. So the same goes on the back seat, on the passenger seat as well, around there as well on the back seat. So I've recently ordered online an optic fiber, so I can this is what I did. So I bought a new piece and reinstalled it on the current one. So what's happening here is like the older piece or the older optic fiber is sort of like kind of like there's a broken piece in between. Right now, I didn't touch anything, I just leave it as it is, and it seems like it's like more of a wear and tear, right? So you can see there's no more light, so it's not allowing the light to pass through because it's just like there's like a block in between the optic fibers. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna replacing the optic fibers, all doors, that side as well, and the passenger side. So the dashboard one, I've just reinstalled this recently, so this is brand new now. So this is what it should look like on the doors. From where the LED light is, it should travel along the line up until this point. All right, so let's get into it. So at this point, what I need to do is basically pull out the old optic fiber and insert a new one. It's the old optic fiber. So as you can see in the middle, sort of like just like I don't know what that is, but it's like this is like a scratch or something. And well, obviously I don't have to do anything, or I didn't do anything. So what I did is just had to pull it out and replace a new one and insert a new one in. All right, so you might be wondering how thick the optic fiber is. So it's actually 2.2 millimeter. So this is how thick it is. And that will allow me to insert to this fiber tube. So I've ordered a 1 meter in length. That way it will allow me to have a sort of an excess, and whatever slack there is, I'll just cut it off. So this is a new one. In she goes. So I have to do this very carefully so I won't break the optic fiber. Once it breaks, then there is no light that's going to pass through. So what I did is just let it sit there to, up until to the line of where the optic tube is, and I'll screw it back in to the door. Okay, now so this is how it looks like. So what I need to do is just trim off the excess like so. Just use a scissor. That's it, and you're good to go. Now let's have a look at the after results. All right, let's switch it on. Just an accessory. All right, so this is how the dashboard looks like after I reinstalled or changed the optic fiber. That's in the passenger door, no, the driver's seat, and the passenger side. See? Now it looks good, looks brand new. So that's pretty much how to replace an optic fiber. And my ambient lighting is alive again. That's it. So I'm gonna be installing the rest of the doors, driver's seat, and the back seat as well. So I'll do a quick one and compare the before and after. Alrighty. Here's the older optic fiber. So as you can see, there are those kind of like a peel-off type of lines, and this is the brand new. It doesn't have that whatever that is on that old optic fiber. So that's basically it of why the light is not passing through the optic fiber, because of these things. So I don't know, it's a wear and tear, or just it's just the lifespan of an optic fiber. All right, so just finished installing. We'll see how it goes and how it looks right now. All right, it's back to normal. This is after changing the optic fibers. All right, so comment down below if you liked this video, and you have any questions, please comment down below. Otherwise, give it a thumbs up. There you go. Replacing the optic fiber on my Master 3's ambient lighting. Thank you very much.